Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again. I know what time is it. Today I am trying to shoot a POV. You are my camera and I'm going to take you about my day, realistic day. I have been wanting to shoot it since morning, but there's no light there. There's still no light, but I just decided to go ahead anyway. It's a realistic day. We don't have light right now. I've not even cleaned the house. My sister is out of the house right now, and yeah, let's go. It did not work, so I think I gotta rest since it's not working. This heat is a little bit crazy, to be honest. Let me reduce the volume of this remote. This heat is a little bit crazy, to be honest. So guys, yeah, I just finished cleaning the sitting room and sweeping, and basically I'm tired. I've not had my bath, and now I'm going to do that soon, but I want to rest for a bit. What is the time? 12:18. It's almost time for zero, so I have to take my bed before zero. So basically, yeah, I need to take my bath soon. I am trying to write some content that I'm trying to shoot, but I'm stuck somewhere. But then I'm going to get it. See, I'm sweating. Gosh, whenever the inverter is working, the AC does not work. The AC works with just the lights, and we don't have fan in the house. So I'm feeling heat, and I gotta go bath. So guys, we'll stay safe because you are my camera for 24 hours. So I don't know why I just remembered that it's almost time for Salat, and I used face cream. That's it for today. When I wash it up, and that's all. And the battle now is the battle of what to eat. I have not eaten, and it's almost noon. It's almost 12 p.m. and I've not eaten. So I don't know what to eat, and I'm tired of eating the same thing every day. So tired. Now I literally have to find what to eat. If I don't cover this thing, my sister is going to kill me. We complain. A girl, she complains like my mother. Oh God. And I need to charge my power bank. My iPhone does not work without power bank. The battery life is, and I have to charge my power bank. Why am I walking around? I usually don't know what to do or what to cook or anything. But you have to cook. I'm hungry. So I spoke to be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out?
Burning right now, got me bummed out. Yo, baby, I've been on my empty mind. I should've kept on listening. I worry that I wasted listening. All your baby, all okay. I'm not really losing, this is urgent. The names of some little things got me over in my mind. Let it go away, keep it holding me. Too right, but we'll be looking for me. All the while, I raise my arm, I'm feeling now. You wanna cry, you believe it. Today, just always inside. Help me on my mind, please, my love. Faces I just hear you listen. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like so we lost this shit. Gotta hold my own, my trust is there alone, man. Ooh, trying to do.
Now I have to wait. The spark is getting done and I'm waiting for my food. What am I doing next after food? Sleep. Wait for my Android to charge so I can be online and disturb Twitter. What else? Nothing, absolutely nothing. I'm jobless. The amount of thinking it took me before I chose to cook spaghetti. I miss my mama. I had to settle for concussion spaghetti. You are. Let's watch TV for a bit till food is ready. Did I put water inside the fridge? I need cold water, basically. Cold water. I have ice. Yeah. The ice has not iced. Oh my god. And I kept this one inside the fridge and my sister has drank out of it. I need to refill my bottle. No, wait. I have evidence. I'm literally I had storage issues, so the water, my sister did not drink it. I have evidence here because I have a video of me drinking the water. She literally drinks my water that I keep in the fridge. That's why I said that without thinking. So basically, guys, I am in severe pain. The video that is supposed to come up before this one, I have edited it and everything, but because of the storage issues, I was trying to like transfer it on the laptop, but the laptop was not seeing my iPhone, so I had to like send the video from the iPhone to my Android so I can use my Android to transfer it to the laptop. And then I copied and pasted it. I saw that the laptop received it and I wanted to delete it from my Android, so I deleted the video from my Android. Voila, I can't find the video on the laptop and I've deleted it from my phone. Guys, I don't know what to do. To be very honest, I can't lie, I won't lie, I'm pained because I've been wanting to make that video, songs in my playlist, and I finally shoot it and edited it and I deleted it. Guys, I don't even know how I'm feeling right now. I'm still here sitting in front of the laptop. Maybe there will be a miracle that will see it or something, but then I went to the clipboard to go and check if I will find it. I can't find it because I've copied other videos too. I don't know how I'm feeling about this. Guys, about video, I can't find it. I've done everything I could possibly think of. I can't find it. So I guess I have to wear the same outfit, same everything, and do the video again because I have like 4 clips out of it. So I have to do the entire video again, and I'm not happy about it basically. And yeah, when I cooked, I forgot to add oil. Thank goodness that the spaghetti needed more water before it was done. So when I saw it and tasted it, I realized that I forgot to add oil. So I later added oil. So I want to eat right now, and later we'll film the playlist video again. Like guys, I literally outdid myself while editing this video, because it's because of the way how I will edit it that I have been postponing making the video. I finally made it, finally edited it, and I deleted it. You don't know how pained I am. I guess it's for a reason. I have to do it again, and if I do it again and I can't edit it the way I did last one or better, I'm sorry, you guys are not going to see it, to be honest, because it's supposed to come before this video. But it's well, it is well. It's for a reason. Fine. Guys, the time is currently 4:03, and it's almost time for us three. Guys, I am looking at some throwbacks here. I don't know where my sister got them, but she saved them here. They are epic, literally. Cause who is this? No, let me show you guys. Let me turn the camera. Who the hell is this? Like, who? Talele. Who is this? I've literally loved fashion and loved dressing up like years back. I can't remember what age I was here, but I was less than 15. Yeah, I was less than 15 definitely, and I look so good for that year. I look good. See fashion, like I was literally not going to the beach. I'm wondering what got into my head. Why am I dressed like this with a beach hat? Good lord. Well, it looks fire. That's what I'll show you guys. I need to pray, and after I finish praying, I'm going to go for a walk, and then I don't know if I'm going to make the playlist video today or tomorrow, but I need to make it and edit it so I can drop it. I'll upload it, but I'm still thinking maybe I should drop videos twice a week or once a week. That's weekend. I'm still thinking. I'm going to decide on something soon. I need to go and speak to my creator. Yeah. Bye. So yeah, you all, I'm dressed and about to make the video again. I know it's pretty funny. I'm pained and everything, but then we have to go again. So let's get shooting. You're going to see the results. Maybe you would have seen the results before this video, but then let's get right into it. Hi guys, the time is currently 6:39. I said I was going to go for a walk, but then my sister took both of us used one key, so she took our key out and she's not back yet, so I can't even go out of the house right now. So work is cancelled for today. My group is almost here. You guys, basically, you people don't know how hard it is for me to have hard clothes on for the whole day because I want to make videos. I usually don't wear clothes in the house. Like, I don't wear decent clothes in the house, but because I want to take you guys along my day, I'm wearing clothes and it's giving me a headache. But then we have lights now, so the AC is on. What else do I want to tell you guys? I can't remember what I want to tell you. Yes, I already made the video. I finished making it, yeah, and I've not even watched the little clips, but when I finish praying, I'm going to see how I'll edit it, if it will work or not. If it doesn't work, then period. That's it. We'll shoot another content and not playlist content. Then, that's it for now. If there's any other updates, I'm going to tell you guys. So, bye. Hi guys. Good morning. Good morning, fams. It's currently like 7:58, and I've been off for a while. My phone is not charging. It's not like it's not charging. It's charging, but it's charging. Crazy stuff. Yeah, I'm thinking I should go for a walk this morning, but this sun, I don't know. But I'm actually trying to go. You guys, look at how fat I am. If you know me well, you know how much I hate fat. Like, I'm becoming what I hate, you all. I'm becoming what I hate. Small time, you don't they become what you hate, yo. My voice sounds horrible when I'm singing. So, guys, yeah, I think I'm going for a walk. And then I'll do like small workout. Because, nah, I must not be fat. I'm maintaining this stature, and that's it. I'm not gaining more. Come on, gosh, no way. I'm done. So yeah, that's it for now. Bye. I'm already set out. I'm just walking. I'm just walking. I just want to walk. I just want to walk, and then I'll come back home and do my normal boring day. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. We do good things for good reasons, you know. Morning and evening walks is what I'm thinking of starting, basically. So, started today. So, I don't even need to tell you guys this before then. I have the key today. I'm not logged inside, so I can do the evening walk. But I don't think it's going to be in this vlog because this vlog is ending by 11. So, yeah, we're doing it. I can't jog basically because I have a knee injury, so it's just a walk. See me, I'm walking with a bag, my tote bag, because I can't be carrying power back around. Yeah, so yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. See, I'm sweating. I'm back. I'm back, guys. I want to go and take my weight now. It was a good one. It's not been a while I've checked like this, but for the purpose of losing weight, it's been a while. So go again in the evening. So guys, see you guys. I just finished having my bath, and I want to drink water now, Sean. I want to take water. That was refreshing. Whoa. Let me check the time. I think you guys have been with me for 24 hours. I can't remember the time that I started this vlog yesterday, Sha. But this is 9:07, so I think I'm ending this just to start another thing. So, wait, guys, I don't know if you noticed, but I feel like my face is looking better. Yeah, it's looking better, and it's not just one thing that I'm using. But then, let me see how I'm going to look when my period comes, because when my period comes, I go from 100 to 0. So, you guys, we have come to the end of this video. You guys are my camera for 24 hours, and we're going to end this year. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notification button to get notified whenever I drop a video. See you guys next time.